This is a 1979 Harley Davidson Ironhead Sportster. It's a project. It's got a later engine in it. I think that's an 80s engine, going by the engine number. It's an unfinished project. I can see various little jobs been done, new bolts, new gasket and new oil pipes. I've not been able to turn it over. It's got no chain on it, there's no electrics, so I haven't been able to check anything with it really. But you're welcome to come and do your own checks. I'm just selling it as it is. It's quite a tidy looking bike, or has got good potential. Looks like the frame's been freshly painted and tank and mudguard sprayed. So it's a start. If you're interested in it, check out it on eBay.